Moms, dads, boys and girls, it's time for a delicious entertainment treat just for you. America's favorite food extravaganza, Cooking the Snowbird.
Myron! It's not cooking the Snowbird, it's cooking with Snowbird!
Whatever. And now clap your hands for Snowbird and Marcella.
Yay, Marcella!
Hi everyone, hey Snowbird.
Hey, so good to see you again.
Good to see you too. And today, we're gonna be making something super exciting.
Oh, well, you know, it's cooling down outside the temperature, so are we gonna make something cool?
We're actually gonna make ice cream.
Oh, ice cream, I love ice cream.
Yeah, homemade ice cream in a bag, which I know sounds crazy, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it.
Okay, how do we do ice cream in a bag?
So first you'll want to get all your ingredients together. We have fruit, we have heavy whipping cream, about a cup of this, some vanilla extract if you're going for vanilla ice cream like we are, and the sugar. So all of these things, we're gonna start by combining them into a bowl.
Cool.
So we're gonna put our heavy whipping cream into here.
So the cream goes in there, got it. All right, looks good.
About a cup of that.
Uh-huh.
And then we're gonna add, I'm gonna put a couple drops of vanilla extract in there. It's gonna be about half a teaspoon if you're measuring it at home.
Okay, so not a lot.
Not a lot at all.
Don't use the whole bottle.
All right,
Okay,
this
cool.
stuff is very strong. It's very strong in flavor.
Okay.
All right. And
All right,
then
you got the sugar, you gotta have sugar.
gotta have sugar, one of the most important ingredients to our ice cream.
Excellent.
You're gonna take just a couple spoons, so 2 or 3 spoonfuls, that's one.
Okay, just a spoonful of sugar makes the ice cream taste good. The ice cream tastes good. Sorry, I'm just on a singing thing today.
Right here, and then we'll mix that up.
Cool.
We have the sugar in there. Mm-hmm. All right, and then we've put our heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, sugar. Now we can move on to the fruit.
Okay, so what fruit do you have over there?
I have a couple different things here. I have some blackberries and raspberries that we're gonna throw in there.
Yummy.
A couple of those. I've got a couple blueberries.
Ooh, okay.
Okay.
So kind of like a mixed berry flavor ice cream, huh?
Yes.
Nice.
Exactly.
All right, so question from an avian perspective. If I wanted to make herring flavored ice cream, you know, could I just drop some fish heads and tails and stuff in there?
You could.
Great, good. I'll try it at home later. And I'll be sure to bring you some.
Thank you, Snowbird.
Great. Okay, good. So we're making mixed fruit ice cream. Awesome.
All right. So
I
you're
like
gonna
it.
Mix some of that fruit in there.
Okay, so you're mixing it up really well.
Alrighty. And now that we have all that in there, here comes the fun part. So
Okay.
we're gonna take a little bag, just one of these, and you're gonna pour your mixture into this little bag. Okay.
Ooh. Okay, wow.
And you wanna do it over the plate, because maybe it'll get a little messy.
All right.
Perfect, so we've got our cream in our bag.
I'm still not understanding this. You made all that lovely stuff, and it's in the bag. I don't get how that turns into ice cream.
Well,
just throw it in the freezer, what?
No! So we're actually going to hand shake this ice cream. You're gonna wanna make sure that it's very sealed, super sealed, so that
Hang on,
you don't
I can do
make a
that.
mess.
Well, hello, ice cream. I'm handshaking you. Hello, ice cream. No?
Snowbird.
Okay.
That's not how you do that.
All right.
Okay, and then we have a larger bag. Now we're gonna wanna put ice in this bag.
Oh, you know what? Look, I haven't done anything. Let me help you hold the bag so you can put the ice in there, okay?
Thanks, Snowbird.
Okay.
All right, so we're adding ice to the bag, and then just a little bit of rock salt, because it lowers the freezing point. All right, makes it super cold. Perfect. And then we're gonna put the bag of cream and fruit into the bag of ice, and we're gonna top it with just a little bit more ice. Okay. Excuse me, Snowbird.
That's okay. So the rock salt that you added, it like makes the water really super cold, right?
Yes.
Cool. I'm getting this process.
Alrighty. And then you're gonna wanna make sure to seal this one up nice and tight as well.
Okay. All right. So now, do we stick the whole thing in the freezer?
No, this is actually the fun part. You get to shake and make this ice cream yourself.
What? Shake and bake ice cream?
Yeah, and you'll shake it for like 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your ice cream.
Da-na-na-na.
Shake your ice cream.
Da-na-na-na.
Woo! Wait a second. 10 minutes of this? That's gonna take a while.
It will.
I think we need one of those cool video time wipes.
You're right. Let's do it.
All right, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, okay. 10 minutes later, and what do you have?
We have ice cream in a bag.
Oh, okay.
And now you're just gonna take this ice cream and scoop it out into your bowl. Oh, there we go. See, it's a lot thicker now, so it's kind of hard to scoop out.
That's so cool. It's actual ice cream in a bag. I had no idea.
And now we can give it just a little taste and see what we ended up with.
Oh, yeah, you got to see how it is. Cool.
That is very good. Do you want to try it?
Oh, I do. Yeah, give me a little bit. That'd be awesome.
Here, let me get you a good bite. Okay.
Oh, that's so good. Mixed berry ice cream. I had no idea I could actually make ice cream in a bag.
Isn't that so cool?
That is so neat. Thank you so much, Marcella. We had so much fun today making ice cream in a bag. And everybody out there, be sure to go to Snowbird Central, our YouTube channel, like and subscribe, and you can learn how to make cool things cooking with Snowbird and Marcella.
Thanks, Snowbird.